Hello, Norris Middle School families and students. My name is Ryan Carr, and I am the principal of Norris Middle School. The reason for this video is I wanted to provide some information and clarity on what you and your child can expect in regards to the daily schedule at Norris Middle School while we are on distance learning for the first quarter. So at this time, I will share my screen with you, and we can review that daily schedule. So your child will have the 6 following core classes at some point during our school day. Based on the Governor Newsom's recommendations, each child must receive 240 minutes of daily synchronous and asynchronous instruction, and I will explain those terms on the following page. You can see our schedule off onto the right side of the screen. The school day will start at 8:30. And class times will end at 1:40, which will leave your child with additional time at the end of the school day to finish any daily assignments that may not be complete. Teachers will also have office hours from 2:30 to 3:40 to provide help and assistance to any students or parents. You can reach them either through email or by contacting the school office. Now, we are asking students to attend their classes during their scheduled times, but all teachers will be recording their synchronous lessons to provide families with some flexibility. So synchronous learning means when students are engaged in learning at the same time. And now through distance learning, this is when a teacher is delivering live instruction virtually, either through our learning management system of Canvas or through a Zoom meeting. And here are some other examples of what synchronous learning is. Asynchronous learning is a description that's used when learning does not occur in the same time or the same place. So an example of this is if a teacher records their lesson, just as I'm doing right now, for a student to view during their scheduled time or maybe after school to complete an assignment. Another topic that I wanted to touch on is electives for all students at Norris Middle School. Now, unfortunately, we've had to cancel electives during the 2021 school year. Now, we will be offering some after-school enrichment electives, but electives have been canceled and removed from their core daily schedule. So these are the 3 electives that we are offering after school for students to participate in. These will be asynchronous lessons, so students can participate as many as they would like. Now, as I mentioned, the following electives have been canceled for the 2021 school year, but our hope is to bring these electives back during the 21-22 school year. Now, there are some specialty electives that I wanted to address for students who applied and were accepted. Our first one is Gateway to Technology. So this elective has been canceled for the 2021 school year, but all students who were accepted will automatically be enrolled in a semester of GTT and a semester of robotics for the 21-22 school year. Distance Learning Band. So Mr. Dalgleish will be teaching band, whether we are in distance learning or a hybrid or the traditional model, at these times from 1:45 to 2:25. Green Night Band, as you can see, will meet Mondays and Thursdays, and Silver Night Band will meet every Tuesday and Friday. Mr. Dalgleish will also have pull-out sectionals throughout the week, and he will share that schedule once it is finalized. Distance Learning Robotics, this will happen every day from 1:45 to 2:45. Distance Learning Leadership. This will students will attend 2 to 3 days a week from 1:45 to 2:25. Mrs. Bean will communicate the schedule to parents once it's finalized. And lastly, our Distance Learning Yearbook class. Students will attend from 1:45 to 2:25, and this schedule has yet to be determined, but Mrs. Taylor will share it with families once it is complete. And I just want to remind, these electives, specialty electives, are just for the students who applied and were accepted. Thank you for your time. I hope this video provided some much needed information. And if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact the Norris Middle School office at the number on the screen.